Matt Thompson. I'm from Solar Install Co. We're out here today at Chapel Hill, replacing a existing solar and battery system with a new Gecko 2. It's fully stacked with the 8 5.6 Tropo Ultras. We're using the existing solar and getting the system all up and running for full house backup. So we chose RedEarth today for this install for multiple reasons. Great brand, great product, local support. It's also the plug and play functionality of the system, kept the system install short and sharp, easy for the boys to be able to get in, just bring the system up to standard and plug and play into the RedEarth system. So commissioning and install goes smoothly, so big reason we pick RedEarth. Solar Install Co and RedEarth have been on a pretty long journey together. We have worked with them through many iterations of Black Maxes, Bush Trucks, Geckos, all the drop bears. So it's always great to see when they bring a new product out, how it's going to work. You always feel comfortable that it's going to do exactly what it says on the box, which is it's really good. So the continued relationship with RedEarth is something that we'll always work towards, and think that it'll be something that we continue to develop in the future.